Hello, teachers and staff. We all know technology is important and necessary to use in our project-based learning classrooms. It is our hope that through today's trainings, you will learn new tips and tricks that will help you go for the gold with technology. The first tip we will tell you about is this screencasting tool that I am using now. It is called Screencastify and is a Google Chrome extension. With this tool, you can manipulate your screen. See how I'm moving from one slide to the next, and you can see that on the screen. You can manipulate your screen, record, save to your Google Drive, and post to YouTube. The educational benefits here are endless. You could have your students present, you could leave your work for a sub, you could leave an extension for homework. There are various ways to use this. Let's get started with our training by going here to the Present button. Okay. When you go to implement today's training, you're going to integrate technology into your classrooms. You're going to learn some tools. All of these tools are cross-curricular. After you learn these tools, you're going to have time to explore, share, and create on your own. Okay, when you're thinking of these tools and thinking about how you can implement them, you need to think of the SAMR method. The SAMR method is like the Bloom's of technology. It stands for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. Substitution would be like using new technology for an old task, something you're already doing. Then augmentation would be using additional new technology for an old task. Modification would be using new technology to change the old task. And redefinition would be our goal, using new technology to create new tasks. Questions to ask yourself when you're learning these new tools and you're thinking about how to implement them into your classroom would be, what will I gain by replacing the task with new technology? That would be a substitution level. Does the technology add new features that improves the task? That would be augmentation. Modification, a question that would come up here would be, does the task significantly change with the use of technology? And redefinition, where our goal is does the technology allow for creation of a new task previously inconceivable? Okay, for today's focus, while we keep those questions in mind, we will learn new tools. Ms. Rabel will introduce Google Drive and Flubaroo, and Mr. Lipscomb will introduce Remind 101 and Plickers. Let's get started.